Ciao, ciao, sveiki! In this video today, we will learn days of the week in Latvian language and, of course, how to use those in sentences grammatically correctly. So, if you are in your Latvian language journey and if you need someone to support you, to guide you, to speak with you, or just give you a Latvian language lesson, you are super welcome to send me an email to indolatvian@gmail.com. And in Latvian language, Monday is pirmdiena. Repeat with me. Pirmdiena. Pirmdiena. Tuesday, otrdiena, otrdiena, otrdiena. Wednesday, trešdiena, trešdiena, trešdiena. Thursday, ceturtdiena, ceturtdiena, ceturtdiena. Friday, piekdiena, piekdiena, piekdiena. Saturday, sestdiena, sestdiena, sestdiena. And Sunday, svētdiena, svētdiena, svētdiena. Hopefully on Sundays you have such a beautiful flowers in your home like you can see in this picture. So, first, if you want to use days of the week that we just learned right now, and in the sentence, the day of the week will answer the question what, or in Latvian language, kas. For example, as, is it a Monday today? So Monday what? Yes, you're asking what? Monday. Vai kas pirmdiena? You would say, vai šodien ir pirmdiena? Yeah, so you're going to use in the sentence Monday as a noun. Yes, you're just asking, is it a Monday today? You're not speaking or saying about like any specific Monday. You are just speaking about today's Monday, but this is not specific. Just day Monday. Yes. What is it? Monday. Yes. Yes. So if you want to use it like in this kind of way, but if you want to use it in a negative way, yes, you could say, or disagreeable way, yes, today is not Monday. Šodien nav pirmdiena, like in the last sentence. And this is which shows that today is not Monday and um, today is probably different day. Still, this answers the question what or kas pirmdiena, yes? And you could say, yes, it is a Monday today. Yes, it is a Monday today. Or, jā, šodien ir pirmdiena. Jā, šodien ir pirmdiena. So you're just asking about day of today, then you would not change any endings on the day of the week. Yes. And this is the last examples that also you could use in your beginners learning Latvian if you are on A1 journey, for example. Today is Tuesday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Or you could say today is Tuesday, yes, and tomorrow is Wednesday. Just stating the fact, yes. So again, answering the question what kas for the day of the week. Šodien ir otrdiena un rīt būs trešdiena. Or you can say it with ir. Šodien ir otrdiena un rīt ir trešdiena. That's the fact, yes. Today we have one day, tomorrow we're going to have different day. But this is not any specific Monday, any specific Tuesday, Wednesday, or many of them. It's just general as a fact. So it's not also giving you an adverb. Yes, it's like mostly here work as a noun. So, but if you will use the days of the week as an adverb, stating specifically something specific, then you would take the end away. And you would have pirmdien, otrdien, trešdien, ceturtdien, piekdien, sestdien, svētdien. If it's only one day of the week, if you do something exactly specifically answering the question when, as in these examples. On Thursday, so this is specific Thursday, yes, I will go to cinema, which in Latvian would be Ceturtdien es iešu uz kino. Or you asking, do you work on Friday? But this is specific Friday, not just Friday like as a fact, yes? This is specific Friday when you're using the word, when you're answering the question when, vai kad, exactly, yes? Vai tu strādā piekdien? Do you work on Friday? So you see, when you also, the hint is, another hint is that when you use on Friday in English, it would be piekdien. Just about something Fridays, any kind of Fridays, you won't have on, yeah, because we're just talking about Friday, yeah, not specific Friday. So what else you can use? For example, saying, I'm studying on Mondays. Pirmdienās es mācos. Also, you can put the pirmdienās in the end as in English. Es mācos pirmdienās, yes? Here, why we are using on Mondays? Because I'm studying all Mondays. All Mondays, this very specific, in on those days, or in Latvian, in those days, you are studying, yes? So very specific answer. Pirmdienās es mācos. So, if you would not have so pirmdien, otrdien, trešdien, ceturtdien, piekdien, sestdien, svētdien, you would have pirmdienās, otrdienās, trešdienās, ceturtdienās, piekdienās, sestdienās un svētdienās. It means that they are in plural form and it is an adverb, yes? So it tells you exactly specific time. So here I'm studying in all Mondays, not only in one Monday, because if it would be only one Monday, for example this Monday, I would say pirmdien es mācos. But because the person is studying in all Mondays, many of them, continuously, yes, then you would say pirmdienās. And if you would work on Saturday, you would say, I work on Saturdays. So it means that not only this specific Saturday, but all the Saturday in this time frame, I'm working. Sestdienās es strādāju. Sestdienās es strādāju. Hopefully, this little video was useful and helpful. If you have any questions, please do send me an email or just send a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. Paldies par uzmanību un uz redzēšanos! Atā!